evening to everybody. I am K. Lakshmi from Department of IT, JJ College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to teach about what is meant by storage. Storage is nothing but computer data storage is called storage of memory. Then we are going to say about technology of computer component and recording media used in retain the digital data is also known as storage. We all know that main memory is temporary memory. The capacity is very limited, but the storage the stored data and program is permanently stored. Next, we are going to see about what is the basic units of storage. For the first basic unit, bit. What is meant by bit? The computer works with binary digits. Binary digit means what? Zeros and ones. This only binary digit. Binary digit refer as bits. What is meant by byte? The collection of 8 bit is known as byte. It can store a single character. It is byte. Here the storage is expressed in the term of bytes. Next, kilobytes means what? Kilobytes consist of 1024 bytes. Next, we are going to see about megabytes. Megabytes consist of 1024 kilobytes. Next, we are going to see about gigabytes. Gigabyte consists of 1024 megabytes. Next, we are going to see about terabytes. Terabyte consists of 1024 gigabytes. These are the basic units of storage. Next, we are going to see about data access method. Data access method is nothing but there is a two method in data access method. One is RAM, the other one is SAM. What is meant by RAM? Read access memory. The RAM means nothing but the data is directly retrieved by CPU. Data is directly retrieved by CPU. All storage devices nowadays we using RAM. What are the devices we using RAM? CD, DVD drives, USB flash drives. This and all having RAM. Next, we are going to see about SAM. What is meant by SAM? Sequentially access memory. The class of data stored that read stored data in sequence only SAM. SAM is nothing but a magnetic SAM is used as a secondary storage. Then what is the date for what purpose they are using SAM means for general purpose of computer in higher density with a lower cost compared to RAM we are using SAM. For example, hard disk, CD-ROMs, magnetic disk. Next we are going to see about what is meant by magnetic disk. Magnetic disk is nothing but the process magnetization. What is meant by magnetization? Write or rewrite and access the data. This only the magnetic disk. How the data is stored in magnetic disk means sector wise or spot or sector track. What is meant by track? Each track is divided into two sectors. For each sector is stored up to 512 bytes of data. Next, what are the examples of magnetic disk means? Hard disk, zip disk and floppy disk. Now next we are going to see about zip disk. Zip disk is nothing but medium to high capacity. It is used for removal floppy disk storage system. Then the zip disk are lashed with capacities of 100 megabytes. Next, we are going to see about hard disk. Hard disk is nothing but we can say disk drive or hard drive or hard disk. The large amount of data can be stored electromagnetically changed surface. Then we can say as set of surface. A large amount. Nowadays the hard disk the systems comes with hard disk several millions of data. bytes of data. That means gigabytes. Next, we are going to see about hard disk performance. There are three performance. First performance is seek time. What is mean by seek time? Positioning performance. Next, we are going to see about spindle speed. Spindle speed is nothing but transferring performance. Next, last one, latency. Latency is nothing but the time required by the spinning play to bring the desired data. This is only the latency. Next, we are going to see about what is meant by external and removal hard disk. First, we are going to see about it is connected. Today, the separate hard disk is connected to the USB port. That is only used external for purpose. Next, we are going to see about what are the advantage in the external and removal hard disk. First advantage, transfer large number of files from one place to another place. Second advantage, store large number of video files or audio files in easy way. The last one, it can be used easily. Next, we are going to see about miniature hard disk. What is mean by miniature hard disk? It is very small hard disk, and the hard disk are available in sizes or 0.85 inches or 1 inches or 1.8 inches. These are all the available hard disk. Hard disk is used for both internal and external hard disk are available in the internal miniature hard disk. Next, we are going to see about disk cache. What is meant by disk cache? It is used for speed up the magnetic hard disk performance. Next, we are going to see about next storage, floppy disk. Floppy disk is nothing but it is called as diskette. Now, it is a portable magnetic storage device. It is used for this capacity. The storage capacity is up to 1.44 megabits of data is equivalent to we can store the data. Next, the storage device or transferring small files from home to school. For that purpose we give floppy disk. What are the advantages? The advantage is very small and lightweight. Next advantage is transferring small files from home to school. Next, it can be used many times. Next, we are going to see about what are the disadvantages. First, it is easy to damage. Next disadvantage, it is easily erased. Next, the access is very slow. Next one, flash memory storage. Flash memory is a solid state chip. It is used for maintain stored data without any external power source. Next, we are going to see flash memory. For what are the purpose they using the flash memory? Smartphones, digital cameras, portable media player. This is the flash memory. Types of flash memory. First type, solid state drive. Solid state drive, SSD. What does mean by SSD? SSD is used for replace the hard disk. Next, we are going to see about advantage and disadvantage. The first advantage is SSD. It's provide the data access in very faster way and the data is transfer in easy. Next advantage, they do not generate any noises. Next advantage is security. So for security, what purpose they are using security? The all stored data is easily quick scan. For that only they are using security. The last advantage is waterproof. It is a waterproof. Next one, disadvantage. Two disadvantage. First one, price. Price is more expensive. Then in case of failure, the recovery of data is very difficult one in this. Next, we are going to see about USB flash drive. USB flash drive is nothing but it is a flash memory drive. It is called as thumb drive, pen drive, token drive, key drive or USB drives. Then we are going to see USB flash drives very less storage capacity. This and all the USB flash drive. Next we are going to see about wireless flash drive. Wireless flash drive is used for store and share the data through mobile and computers without with wireless. Next, it is a very portable and easy to use, and we can use in packet also. Next, through streamed video at the same time using the Wi-Fi. Now, this, for example, what are the available wireless flash drives or 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. For example, scan disk connector. Next, we are going to see about what is memory card. Memory card is nothing but flash card is a memory card. The flash card is used for data stored and storing digital informations. It is commonly used in digital cameras, smartphones and laptops, some and all. Next, we are going to see what are the types in memory cards. First memory card type is CF, SD cards, memory stick media. CF is nothing but it is used to store up to 8 GB to 512 GB the data can be stored, so the storage capacity. Next, SD card is used in many portable devices such as digital cameras, smartphones, handheld computers we using. This capacity, the available capacities are up to 16 megabits and 1 gigabits. Still it is growing. The storage is up to 32 gigabytes we can store it. Next we going to see about memory stick media. What is meant by memory stick media? It is a removable flash memory. It is lashed by Sony company. It is used for the memory stick. It is used for, we can say that M2, we can say the M2 with the storage capacity of 2 GB to 4 GB we can use the M2. Next we are going to see about security digital memory cards. That means SDXC we can say it. It is used in digital cameras only. What it will be provide means there is storage up to 32 gigabits to 2 terabyte we can use it. Next one, last storage, optical disc. Optical disc is nothing but removable storage. It includes CD and DVD. Next, it uses the laser. Through laser only the data are read and write. The laser stands for light amplification through stimulate emission of radiation. This is the abbreviations of a laser. Next we see the CD and DVD. CD is, we all know about CD means compact disc. It is used to store photos, audios and videos and computer softwares. For that purpose we using CD. There are three major types in CD. One is read only, another one is recordable, last one is rewritable. So the same purpose we say in DVD also. DVD stands for digital video disc. The storage capacity of DVD is very greater than CD. It is this also same three types of CD also in DVD. First one read only, second one recordable, third one rewritable. That's all.